पेरेंट्स, क्या आपका टीनेजर अपनी स्माइल को लेकर कॉन्शियस है? क्या कभी उन्होंने आपसे ब्रेसेस लगाने की बात की है? क्या ये सही टाइम है उन्हें ब्रेसेस लगाने का? अगर हाँ, तो क्या ऑप्शंस हैं उनके पास ब्रेसेस के? So as parents, we all want best for our children, especially when it comes to their health and happiness. आज है हमारे साथ डॉक्टर साक्षी, the expert orthodontist, and she will be answering all your questions regarding the braces for your children. Hi doctor.
हाय।
So आज हम समझने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि ब्रेसेस ट्रीटमेंट कैसे काम करता है और कब इसकी जरूरत पड़ती है।
ऑल राइट, सो ब्रेसेस का ट्रीटमेंट एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है जिसमें जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल मैलालाइन टीथ और क्रूकेड टीथ या फिर जब पेशेंट्स के दांत जो होते हैं आगे पीछे होते हैं, तो हम क्या करते हैं, उन दांतों को अलाइन करते हैं। सो द प्रोसेस इन्वॉल्व्स पुटिंग कांस्टेंट प्रेशर ऑन टू द टूथ सरफेस। धीरे धीरे दांतों के ऊपर प्रेशर लगाया जाता है और वो दांत जो है अपनी जगह पे पहुंच जाते हैं। नाउ व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट आड़े टेढ़े दांत या क्रूकेड टूथ या मैलालाइन टीथ, नाउ ऑब्वियसली फर्स्ट पॉइंट इट लुक्स अ लिटिल बैड, राइट? नाउ सेकंड पॉइंट, मोर देन बैड, इट्स वेरी बैड फॉर योर ओरल हाइजीन। नाउ लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल, इफ आई हैव टू टीथ जो ओवरलैपिंग है या फिर क्रूकेड है, तो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन इफ आई एम गोइंग टू ट्राई टू ब्रश इन दैट एरिया? देयर विल बी एरियाज जहां पे मैं ब्रश नहीं कर पाऊंगी प्रॉपर्ली। अब क्योंकि मैं वहां ब्रश नहीं कर पा रही हूं, तो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन इवेंचुअली इज दैट यू विल हैव फूड गेटिंग स्टक इन दोज एरियाज, एंड जब आपका खाना उन जगहों पे फंसेगा तो यू विल हैव प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ बैड ब्रेथ एंड मोर इंपॉर्टेंट यू विल हैव प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ कैविटीज इन दैट एरिया। तो it is not just hampering your confidence, it is also hampering your oral cavity. Now there are also some cases जिसमें क्या होता है कि दांतों की पोजिशनिंग ऐसी होती है कि ऊपर और नीचे के दांत जो हैं बहुत ज्यादा टकराते हैं। अब क्या होगा अगर आपके ऊपर और नीचे के दांत बार बार घिसेंगे और टकराएंगे, तो इवेंचुअली आपके जो दांत की जो टॉप लेयर है, जो प्रोटेक्टिव लेयर है, वो यू स्टार्ट टू लूज इट, एंड व्हेन यू स्टार्ट टू लूज इट देन यू विल स्टार्ट डेवलपिंग प्रॉब्लम्स लाइक hypersensitivity. Now, these are just the various common things that we see on a day-to-day basis. In extreme cases, what happens is there are patients who've come to me with chewing difficulties also. और more than that, sometimes आपका जो chewing की वजह से जो problems होती हैं, उसकी वजह से आपका pain, sometimes it travels to your joint and it creates a lot of issues.
Okay, that's a serious issue.
Indeed it is. And it should be treated as early as possible.
So how early we can start the treatment?
Now, with a general range, if you ask me, every parent should take their child to an orthodontist or any general dentist, okay, at the age of about 7 years. Now, ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि अगर आप किसी डॉक्टर के पास जाएंगे कि आप मेरे बच्चे के दांत चेक कीजिए, तो द डॉक्टर माइट नॉट टेल यू कि आपके बच्चे को इमीडिएटली ब्रेसेस की जरूरत पड़ेगी। They might tell you कि नहीं, अभी आप वेट कीजिए और we have to intervene at some point. Now there are patients at that age जिसमें क्या होता है, हमारी जॉ ग्रोथ की एबनॉर्मेलिटीज हम डिटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल इफ एक कोई पेशेंट आए हैं जिनकी अपर जॉ ग्रो कर रही है लेकिन लोअर जॉ उतनी तेजी से ग्रो नहीं कर रही, so if those cases are treated at that point in time, if they are detected at that point in time, we can treat them well to bring a good jaw growth, because बच्चे उस टाइम पे बहुत अच्छा ग्रो कर रहे हैं। But ideally, if you ask me, about 12 to 18 years is a good age to go for a treatment for kids, because at that age they have a good understanding ki, you know, why they need braces. And they sometimes these days, a lot of teenagers, because there is so much of peer pressure and bullying that happens in school, a lot of, you know, patients come to me and those kids tell me that I want braces because, you know, my batchmates or my friends are teasing me that I have two bunny teeth, or my friends are teasing me because I have spacing between the teeth. So the kids these days are very aware, and this age group of 12 to 18 is a very good age group to work on when we have to do an orthodontic treatment. When your child touches that teenage, what is happening at that point in time is कि उनके सारे जो milk teeth हैं, they have almost all of them have fallen off, ठीक है? तो now they have their full set of permanent dentition already in. So and their jaws at that point in time are still growing. So it's easier to get orthodontic treatment done in the kids at that age, the results are a little faster and they are more precise.
Yes, I think a lot of teenager or parents are worried about the journey of braces, that it would be uncomfortable for them. And because nowadays teenagers are so much conscious about the way they look. So, what is the solution to that?
So ये जो braces का notion है ना, this is based on the traditional braces that people have seen, that have been a little ugly, some people say, and they used to be a little uncomfortable. A lot of people have said that. But with the advent of so much of technology, there are a variety of braces that are available in the market today. And these braces, some of them or most of them I would say are so comfortable. And अगर हम visibility की बात करते हैं कि ठीक है वो ugly लगेंगे, now a patient or a parent can definitely choose an option to go for ceramic or tooth colored braces. So you will get the treatment also and बाहर से दिखेगा भी नहीं कि आपका treatment हो रहा है. Now, apart from all of this, there is so much cutting edge technology that has come in terms of aligners these days. Now, aligners are basically, what are they? They are made of a biomaterial and they move your teeth just as the braces move them. So they are a very good option if, kids are very concerned about their smile or they are very conscious about their appearance. So they can anytime opt for an option. So there is a wide variety available in the market today. And nowadays, the treatment time or an orthodontic treatment time has reduced so much and there is so much comfort that parents don't need to think that, this is going to be a little uncomfortable or all these things.
So that sounds something every parent wanted to hear. So इसके बाद एक बहुत बड़ा concern होता है कि जब treatment खत्म हो जाता है, so is there any chances of relapse after that?
So this is something that I tell all my patients. The first 6 months after an orthodontic treatment are the most important, is the most important time period, I must say. Now why? Because हमने 1 साल लेके treatment किया और let's say 10 months लेके treatment किया and we've moved the tooth to the desired position. अब दांत एकदम align हो चुके हैं. But it will take some time for your bone to harden up in that area. So that is the only time that we have to focus on something called as retainers. So what retainers actually do is they retain the teeth in the position that we have left them in. So you spend so much time and effort along with that money also in getting that, perfect smile or getting that orthodontic treatment done. So retainers safeguard that investment once your orthodontic treatment is done. So they're like, an insurance policy for you that, oh, now my teeth are not going anywhere.
True. So yes, we have learned a lot of new things today, जो सबके लिए जानना बहुत जरूरी था. Thank you so much, doctor, for taking out the time for us today. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I think it was a very important conversation that we had and I'm glad we had it. And thank you for having me.
Thank you so much.